Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting to your Singtel network and signing into the router. Open a browser, enter the router IP shown on the device label, and log in with the admin credentials. This gives you configuration access. Once done, make sure you use a wired connection if possible for stability. You need administrative rights, so changes apply immediately and securely, which is why locating the default username and password matters before proceeding. Next, navigate the router menu to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section to find your SSIDs. You will typically see separate 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Select the one you want to change. In the security area, pick WPA2 or WPA3 if available, then replace the current passphrase with a strong password that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to note the new password exactly and use a memorable pattern or password manager so you can reconnect devices later. Finally, save the new Wi-Fi password and apply settings. Many routers prompt for a reboot. Allow it because changes take effect after restart. Then reconnect each device using the updated passphrase. If a device won't connect, make sure you selected the correct SSID and entered the password exactly, including case sensitivity. If problems persist, power cycle the router, clear saved network profiles on your device. And as a last resort, reset the router to defaults and reconfigure with your admin credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.